Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video friends, welcome to a wonderful of colors, beauty and creativity. Look at this beautiful Mosaic candle holder. Each piece of glass is carefully placed on one by one, creating a warm glowing when the candle is lit and light shines through. Thought the tiny colorful glass pieces making the wall room looking magical and peaceful. This is not just a candle holder, it is a piece of art. Now look at this amazing Mosaic mirror frame. It is made with small shiny glass tiles in blue golden. Glass tiles in blue golden and black colors. Each square is placed perfectly to make a beautiful pattern. When you look into the mirror, it feels like you are looking into a piece of history, something made with love and practice. Mosaic art has been around for hundreds of years. It turns simple objects into tissue. It reminds us that even broken pieces can be turned into something beautiful. This is why people love Mosaic for decor. It makes homes look bright, unique, and full of life. Would you like to try making a Mosaic piece for your home? It is simple, fun, and creative. You just need some broken glass pieces, glue, and little paintings. The result will be something you proudly keep or gifts to someone special. Brings color to your home, brings life to your space, and let the art of Mosaic make your heart happy. Friends, romantic and cozy too. Light a candle and feel the magic. This Mosaic candle holder is not just glass, it's a story. Every tiny piece of glass shines like a brighter star, making the night feel warm and romantic, perfect for dinner dates, cozy nights, and quiet moments alone. Add this beauty to your home, turn an ordinary evening into something special. So friends, Allah